Ben's gonna go, and he keeps collecting dogs. So this dog's been following us for about 2 days, and I'm sure all the others that we were just sat with are gonna start to follow too. Another day of beautiful Colombian roads, a bit of off-road and a bit of sort of twisty roads with a lot of potholes. And some of the roads in Colombia are nice and smooth, and all of a sudden they'll have like a step where it's kind of like all sunk, and the step can be like a foot. Going down them, great, jump, brilliant. Going up them is not quite a ramp, it's almost like a proper step. So you have to take it slow, and then the trucks obviously go completely the other side of the road, or go very slowly, go around them. So we watch out. But I've got a doorman for the night for like basically under a £5. Germans are next door in a little private room. So we're here in San Gil, I think we are. I'm not going to stay here for a few days and see the city and see what's around. And yeah, another exciting day in Colombia. Lovely and soft.
Yeah, he's really nice.
But he's more interested in your ice cream.
Sure.
Look at those puppy dog eyes. Oh. Oh. Serves you right. So we've had a very nice day in San Gil and did a lot of eating some very nice food and some pizzas and cakes and stuff, and it's all dirt cheap, which is brilliant. Treat myself to a new haircut, treat myself to a new cap, and they were also about £3 each. And now we are in another little town, literally 21 kilometers from where we left. It's a big day today. Weather's not too bad, a bit rainy, a bit gloomy, but it's just stopped raining, so we're going to go and explore the town. There's two beautiful little cats here that are hopping around as well, and all the plants and stuff. Colombia's amazing because it's just so beautiful at the moment with all the plants around. So yeah, off to explore the next city. I love how the police bikes escort them. It's all very serious with their little helmets and everything. It's amazing. Oh, we got a winner. Go on. Almost there. It's a hard uphill, yeah, it's definitely tough. Well, that was just too cute, to be honest. All the little kids running around. And tomorrow the roads are closed in the area, so you might have to stay another day because I think it's a big bike race between two cities and they're closing the whole road. So we might get stuck, but with all the good food here in the nice little pretty town, it's not that much of an issue.
I'm also good with typical. This one doesn't look too bad.
Every restaurant has a little restaurant dog. Although I think this one's just walked in off the street, but still. Little restaurant dog.
Yeah.
So cute. We've just walked up the top of town, completely the other direction to our hotel. I've just spotted this absolutely stunning view. Let me show you. It's just amazing how beautiful Colombia is. Every day it amazes me. It's definitely one of my most favourite countries on this trip so far. We just thought we'd have an ice cream over this view. Pretty much the same as the last one.
He's lying.
I'm not lying, we're going to have an ice cream. You're not having an ice cream?
Have a beer.
Oh, upgrading to a beer. Right, let's go get one. Okay. So this is the beautiful town of Barichara. Barichara. Bari. I can't say it, I'll put it on screen. It's beautiful, isn't it? We spent 2 days here relaxing because yesterday there was a bike race, we couldn't go anywhere. And now we've got a biggish day, I think. We'll see. We've got all these big cobblestones or big stones on the floor. It's really nice, but they're a bit bumpy. I've still got rear brake, I don't know. We found some fluid on my rear wheel, rear swing arm. I'm not sure if an animal's peed up it or what, but it doesn't smell like brake fluid. It doesn't feel like brake fluid, everything works. I wonder how old this town is. Anyone know how old it's? Probably pretty old, yeah, I'll go with that. I like all the roofs and the buildings, they're cool. Let's go for breakfast, let's go for breakfast. What are you going to get for breakfast? It's your birthday, Sven. Just want to go to the cafe with the dog. Simple life, eh? Cafe with the dog. So the cafe we wanted to go to, unfortunately, was closed. So we just stopped at the petrol station and had another little restaurant there. It was very basic eggs breakfast. But look at this gorgeous canyon, and we are heading towards it. Going to ride into it a little bit. I think it's just going to be a bit of an in and out loop we're going to do today, and then carry on. But how gorgeous is that? It's just stunning. Well, now we're heading down the canyon on a little zigzaggy road. Just got past the lorry, which is a bit slow, so not much point in filming. There's some lovely little hairpins on this, switchbacks. See you, buddy. Lorries overtaking, yep, of course. The tarmac's very smooth. Well, no, it's not. But it's nice. It's good. It's not bad. It's getting very warm as we're going downhill. The scenery is still absolutely epic. It's literally every 100 meters it's going a degree higher. So we're now almost at 30 degrees. And we set off at probably 20 odd. It's almost gone. Lost the jungle on that side. We've got cactuses and dry rock and small little shrubs, almost going back to, I don't know, Texas. And well, Texas has got the hills, is it really? Well, not that I saw, more like Mexico. What, really? What's your plan, knob? We're at the bottom, basically, little stream down there, rock cliffs either side, which is lovely. Beautiful. See the water? Yeah, sort of. There's some crazy drivers on here. There's the trucks trying to go slowly, and then the local bikes just trying to overtake you so that they can just be up front. But then they're only little 125s, so they can't do the overtakes that we can do. And then, but they're in front of us. Just idiots. There's the little blue guy in the jacket that I was just talking about. Has to be in front. No, I know he can't be behind someone. I won't. Yeah, it's a good job the audio is not recorded on what you just said to him. Well, he's got no power because he's on a little 125, but he wants to ride like he's fast, but he's just not. He can't. Not got the capacity or the capability or the communication that we have. Oh, into the off-road section for today. Just the same road basically. It's now gone into a little gravel. The views are still pretty fantastic. Dogs are still everywhere. But yes, a bit of off-road. I think every day is off-road. Very rarely do no off-road, although sometimes it's not really intentional. This is like basically the main road. Might not be the road the trucks will take, but it's basically a main road. It's pretty, isn't it? Oh, it's pretty high too. It's a good job they're using sticks and tape to stop you falling over the edge. I love it. Well, this is pretty incredible. We've gone through the cloud now and we're back in the sunshine, which is quite nice, but the temperature's now 15, 16, so we've gone 20, 32 I think was the hottest temperature, and now we're at 16, and we're just descending 2,700. I think we saw 2,900 at one point. But just the views and the gravel, and it's easy but it's lovely. Look at it. Actually, it's a little cold almost. Isn't that one yours? Isn't that? Oh, okay. Hello. It's a little kitty. So we've had 2 days of gorgeous, stunning views and twisty roads, mix of gravel and tarmac. Yesterday we were in... Where were we yesterday?
Yeah.
Where were we yesterday? Malaga. Yesterday we were in Malaga, and today now we are in a new little town which is very colourful, and the basketball courts, but there everything's painted and colourful and beautiful. I'll show you, and there's church, it's amazing too.